Hey y'all, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes. Today we're going to be doing chicken popcorn, or popcorn chicken. No, it ain't. Hey Teddy! It ain't chicken popcorn. It ain't popcorn. It's lollipop, you stupid idiot. Hey y'all, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes. Today we're going to be doing lollipop chicken, or I like to call them Clucker Pops, on the Weber Smoky Mountain. So stay tuned. I have never done chicken lollipops before, but basically I just cut around here and just pulled this down like this here. Basically so it looks like a lollipop. And I don't know, in order to get them to stand well, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. You have to kind of, you know, maneuver them around to where they will stand up. And what I'm going to do when I put them on the grill, I'm going to put them close enough together to where they support one another. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rub this chicken down with the Weber honey garlic rub. This is some good stuff. Some of this orange sauce from Panda Express I'm going to brush on the chicken. We're going to give these lollipop chicken a try. That's really good. Well, those turned out real well, folks. Appreciate y'all stopping by and watching this video. If you liked it, click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. I'd like to know what you think. So until next time, folks, this is Dave the Bomb. And remember, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone. Cheers, y'all. Take care.